What's up? Hola, ¿cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. So on today's video, I've been trying to film this for you guys, but I've been testing it out already for like a week, and I am talking about the new brow product from Benefit, which is called the Brow Microfilling Pen. And this is how the packaging looks. The one that I have is the deep brown. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I wish, girl, because you know we gotta make money. But I am in their PR list, so they sent me a little I can never say these things. A little information paper, which it talks about so it states that it's 24 hours microbladed effect. It's a 3-prong tip, mimics the appearance of real brow hair. It's a waterproof, smudge-proof ink formula, natural looking and easy to apply. I tested out on 22 women. There is 4 shades. The one that I have again is deep brown. There is minimal shades. There's only 4 shades, which is blonde, light brown, medium, and deep brown. But throughout all the women that they tested out, they were able to find their shade. So there's minimal shades, but you can find your shade. I have the deep brown. I would go medium brown, to tell you guys the truth, because I feel like my brows are just too pronounced with the deep brown. Like, it's too dark, and I just feel like I have to wear like a full face of makeup and eyeliner because my brows are just calling your name. So I would definitely just try the medium brown on myself. Now, my thoughts on this product is I love it, but like I told you guys, I will go a lighter shade because I feel like my brows are too pronounced with the deep brown. You have to have a light hand. You can't have a heavy hand. If not, the ink does bleed more and it just looks thicker. So I just feel like I needed in the front just to give it that cute natural brow hairs. But if I just add it throughout my brows, it makes them look thicker. It doesn't, you cannot see the little, you know, the effect, because I already have brow hairs on there. So maybe if you don't, this would be just perfect for you guys. But when I apply it on my brow just tends to look thicker. So that's why I went ahead and add the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Girl, I love this. I'm like out already. I don't even know how many I use this a freaking month, but I freaking love the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I use it in 6 or 5, but that's why I went ahead and added that at the end of my brow. It states that it lasts for 24 hours, which I have it on my hand right now. I don't have any product on my finger, any water, but if I do add some water, which I'm gonna show you guys that I'm grabbing water so you guys can see, it comes off. So that was the only downfall. It comes off. It did not stay on for a while, not even for a couple minutes. So it does come off. Maybe it has to be on my hand for longer than that, but it didn't have enough power for that. So So I hope you guys like this review. I definitely would get it again because I just love the way the effect that it gives it on the front of my brows, like little hairs, which it does look really natural, like real hairs. So I really love that. But I didn't like the fact that it did go away really quick. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave you guys all the information down below. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this product and what do you guys think. If it did last longer on you, what did you do, girl? Because I want this to last longer on me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Bye, girls.